I told myself I wasn't gonna vlog for a few days, but as the day got started and I dropped Sabrina off for her surgery this morning, I know I'm gonna be alone for the next 5 days at least. And I got a little lonely and I decided, hey, the vlog is my only thing that I have right now, so I'm gonna hang out with you guys today, and I thought, heck, let's go work on the R8 to keep my mind busy while she's in surgery. For everyone who has sent out DMs and emails and stuff praying for Sabrina, I appreciate it, means a lot, and it doesn't go unnoticed. So what do you know, we got more stuff to do on the R8 today. There's still quite a big list that we have to do to get this thing ready, but the biggest thing that we have to do right now is we have to swap out the seat belts. We still have the stock seat belts in the car because these actually took quite a while to get in, but we have the left and we have the right, so Calvin and I need to dig through the R8 again, remove the seats, remove the whole entire rear interior to swap these bad boys in. So first things first, I'm gonna disconnect this battery and we'll start taking out the front seats. I apologize, boys, for the last 2 hours, Calvin and I completely stripped the interior of the R8. I didn't film it because you guys have already seen it, but I just want to let you guys know that I just pulled out the old seat belt and I'm swapping in the new one. So I'm trying to double check if there's markings on the old one, and there are not. So I'm pretty sure these could be universal, meaning they could, one can go on the left, one can go on the right, doesn't matter. But there are these little stickers, and this one says L on it. You can't see it. This one says right. So I'm gonna assume this one goes on the right side. Let's make the educated guess. They all look the same, but let's bring this over and install the new seat belts. I didn't film it because
he had both his hands in there, okay? Get off his case. I am a retired doctor detective. After what happened, I quit while I was ahead. So the new doctor detective T.
You can't quit on me.
I'm on vacation.
What?
I'm on vacation.
You didn't file.
He had both his hands in there. He can't hold the camera. I should be holding the camera, okay?
Well, it's in here, guys. So Calvin's monitoring his stupid kids right now. So I'm over here just one hand manning this. Okay.
Okay.
No, that's a good angle. Actually, it is. Yeah. Calvin
can I get a D colon in chat? Can I get a D colon in chat?
Calvin hasn't finished his side yet. It's true, you haven't. Don't look at me like that. Your mouth's open wide like a SpongeBob sardine.
How can you talk to my kids? My 114 kids. You could be part of the kids if you want, if you follow me on
Dude, in the last video,
you got hosed. You forgot it, dude.
But I added it. I forgot.
You didn't put the HTTPS.
In this video, click the link down below. You'll see Calvin's switch. I screwed up. I got scolded. Remember in the comments? I added it.
Okay, first of all, guys.
Hey, I'm gonna tighten this baby up.
It's okay. TJ forgot it. I still love him. Like, it doesn't matter. If anything, great PR. Because you know what? You guys are talking about it. TJ's a genius. It was a double play. You guys got made. Doctor, detective. 2 times. If you want to be a part of the stream, link in the description. Twitch.tv/QuickCalvin. Look at him. He's already done before I can say T-Goose.
Now I still need to put in all the wires back. This part scares me, Calv.
Send it, dude. I don't know.
I don't know. This part's scary. Okay, Calvin has to do his side. I'll show you it when he gets there. The train is moving. Dr. Disrespect, what was your name again?
I can't see that.
Dr. Detective has officially removed his bag. Look at me.
He's already detectiving over it. He's double detective. He's my chief. He's chief Dr. Detective, officer, operator, special agent, secret agent, 00 T-Goose.
Thank you.
He hits those when he needs to. But when he doesn't need to, he misses those a lot.
I know visually it's not much, but we have the brand new seatbelts in the car. We have every airbag replaced, and now both the seatbelts are replaced, so our airbags warning light should be officially gone. I'm interrupting this video to say thank you to our supporters from Ring for sponsoring today's video. You guys have heard me talk about Ring a million times, not only because I have it installed here at my house and use it daily, but I also use it at the warehouse as a security system. You see this little guy right here? It is not only a doorbell for my house, but it is also a camera and a motion sensor. Ring has tons of products similar to the one that I have outside of my house that do all sorts of monitoring that give me live updates to my phone. So at any moment of the day, if I want to check a live feed or if I want to get live updates of motion sensors, it's all delivered to my phone. On ring.com, you can find everything from video doorbells to indoor/outdoor cameras and alarm systems. So you can build a custom system that perfectly fits your home. There's no excuse for you not to have a Ring system installed at your home or at your place of work or any place that needs extra monitoring. Do it now before you regret not doing it. By being a viewer of this channel, you can head over to ring.com/TJ and get an exclusive deal on their welcome kit. It comes with a video doorbell 3 and a Chime Pro, which is all you need to starting a Ring of security around your home today. Click the links down below to check it out. And Ring, thank you so much for supporting this channel. We love you like always, and now let's get back to today's video. I had to leave the shop a little bit abruptly because I'm on dad patrol, meaning because Sabrina's in the hospital, I'm in control of both the dogs, and it's really hard to manage the dogs and try to vlog and get all that stuff done and be at the office and whatever. So I decided to keep them at home today because I thought we'd be able to swap seatbelts out in like a few hours, and it only took like 5 hours. And I was rushing because I needed to get back to the dogs because Kona can't be in his crate for more than 5 hours or else he'll pee himself. I like rushed as fast as I could, and I'm a little bit overscheduled, but I need to run home because I need to let Kona out because I don't want an accident in the crate. So I was pretty poor at filming today. But like I said earlier, I wasn't gonna vlog today, but honestly, you guys are like keeping me company in a weird sense. Like you might not be here with me, but because I talk to the camera, AKA you guys, it makes me feel like I'm not alone, and it's almost like in a weird way, like therapeutic. So we're gonna go home, let out the boys, and I'm still just getting updates every once in a while from Sabrina in surgery. She went into surgery this morning at 7:30 a.m. and it's a 10 to 16 hour operation depending on how it goes and, you know, what the tumor looks like once they're inside her brain. So I'm gonna go there later tonight and drop off her night bag when she gets out of surgery, and it could be as early as 6 p.m. or as late as like midnight. So we are kind of on call tonight as to when she gets out. I've gotten 2 updates. They said everything is going smoothly so far, so that's good, but I'm a little bit on edge today, so if I seem a little off on the vlog, it's just because my mind is running a million miles a minute and I'm thinking about her nonstop. But I'm keeping happy thoughts and a positive mindset. Update, the boys didn't pee in the house nor poop, so I was very proud of them. Because I'm gonna be uploading while Sabrina's gone and Sabrina's in the hospital, I'm doing a lot of the back end now, because normally Sabrina does a lot of the back end stuff like my schedule, my managing and emails and all that type of stuff. So that being said, while she's not here, I have Call of Duty up with all the boys in the party, which I will be joining them shortly to play, but I need to finish editing some stuff on the computer and finishing up some emails, and we are also on call for Sabrina's surgery. They said she could be out at 6:30, which is only in the next 30 minutes, or it could go to like 11 p.m. So I'm kind of like on call to whenever they're done with the surgery. I need to drive to the hospital, drop off her like night bag that she'll have for the next couple days, and I think I might even be able to see her for like 10 minutes, which I'll definitely bring you guys, so I'm hoping that might happen. And I'm just really trying to stay busy today. So I'm gonna get done with some editing, and once we get that call to go see Sabrina, I'll update you guys. It's 7:45, it's almost 8 o'clock. They said her surgery could be over at 6:30 p.m. We're almost like 2 hours over that. And they gave us an update and they said that they're making really good progress on her surgery. And they also told us that it could potentially go to 11 o'clock at night. And if it goes longer, it means they're able to get more of the tumor out. So I'm very anxious because I wanted this to be over by now. And it's not, which isn't a bad thing to say I'm making good progress, but pretty much I was supposed to have dinner, but I completely lost my appetite. Like I can't eat right now. So what I am gonna do, because what I haven't been telling you guys is that I'm getting back into the gym because I'm a fat boy and I'm trying to get back into like lifting, because for those who've been watching the vlogs for a while, I used to be quite a little meat stick. I used to have a lot more meat on my bones. So I'm getting more into that, and one of the things that I take to help put some meat on my bones, because I'm one of those people who struggles a lot with eating, like I just can't eat a lot of food. There's this thing that all my people who work out are gonna know what this is. It's called Serious Mass, and it is pretty much a high caloric shake to help you gain weight, but it can also be used as a meal replacement. That's what we're gonna use it as today because I physically can't eat. But check this stuff out. So this is 2 servings of it. I'm only gonna take 1 because I'll show you how big the scoop is. But 2 servings of this is 1,250 calories, 253 grams of carbs, 50 grams of protein. It's just full of a whole bunch of stuff. We're only gonna take 1 scoop. We're only gonna get about 600. We're gonna use milk instead of water. So we'll get roughly like 1,000 calories out of this, and I'm going easy on myself for eating because right now I'm trying to hit close to 3,500 calories a day. Not that any of you guys have any interest in this, but I can't get my mind to focus on anything else right now. So this is what I'm vlogging, and I'm so sore. Ow! Oh, I'm so sore. All right, 1 heaping scoop. Just take a look at how big this really is. That's what she said. This is 1 scoop. It's like a laundry detergent size scoop. And every time I have to put it in the cup, I end up spilling it everywhere because it's so big. It takes up the whole entire cup. Bottoms up. It's now 11 o'clock at night, and we just got word from one of the nurses in the OR room that Sabrina has been doing really, really well all day, and they took her out of the surgery room, the OR room. They finished at 9 p.m., which was 2 hours ago, and they put her in an MRI scan. They did another MRI, and they saw a little more on the MRI that they were confident that they could go and remove even more. So they put her back into surgery at around 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. sorry, and said they're going to be operating till about midnight, which is still another hour from now, and that she'll be straight to the ICU. She won't be conscious of what's going on or anything, and that there's not going to be an option of seeing her tonight. But ultimately, we got, I guess, some good news. They said that, and we don't have exact numbers yet, but they said that they've been able to get most of it out. Or I think the exact words that the nurse said was they've been able to get almost all of it out, which I don't know percentage-wise if to her that's 90% or 95% or 98%. I don't really know, and I wish I kind of had a better number to go off of tonight, but I don't. But what I do know is that they said she's been stable all day and that she's been really, really good, and if her body wasn't reacting really, really well to what they were doing, that they wouldn't have put her back into surgery to reopen everything up. So all I know is she's super, super tough, and my heart goes out to her, and I've been thinking about her all day, and I miss her very, very much. And I'm sorry if this vlog was very short, because I know it was, but I'm just doing my best to get through this today, and I'm all alone, except my pups are asleep. So the vlog right now is all I got. So I'm gonna get in bed, I'm gonna watch some TV, and I'm gonna try to daily vlog during all of this, because it's the only thing that kind of keeps my mind busy. So that being said, thank you guys for watching today's video. Doing my best to keep it as positive as possible. We did get positive news, but it is just tough to stay positive during this. I don't know. But I'll keep you guys updated, and hopefully we'll be able to go see her tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow. Peace out, and keep moving forward.